So if the tank is open, just turn it off. Make sure you turn off the corresponding light to it. Then we have 2 wrenches usually hanging on this rack. We use one to hold down the main bar.
This one doesn't have a place to hold it. Sometimes there is a place to hold it from this side, and then you turn the other end. But
yeah.
So there's no point holding it. Don't hold it. There's no place to hold it. Just turn it.
Alright,
Okay.
remove this tank out.
Take that tube out of the way.
Take the new one with the gas line pointing inwards.
Yeah, and also check to make sure there's no debris inside.
Can you show the inside?
There's no light. There you go.
Yeah, so it
should be clean, but we should wipe it. Yeah, okay. just wipe it.
So
wipe it
methanol and wipes.
Oh, there's somebody.
Sorry.
Blocking the way. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Yeah. Then the gas line inwards.
Yeah.
All the way. And same. First tighten it with your hand and then use the wrench to tighten it farther down. So this one actually has
has a place to hold the second wrench.
So
yeah, not too much. Just snug is good.
And then we turn it on check the pressure.
The pressure
has to be 100 psi.
Yeah, on the inlet side, it's not going to show much, but on the outlet, it should be about 100 psi.
There's also a pressure
there
sensor.
There is a pressure gauge here. This should be about 235. So that's about 200 here, which is good. And then the level, the liquid level is, let's see if we can catch that. Yeah, right there is the liquid level, which is full. So that's about it to do.